Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, we will going to Waterfalls because my some subscribers and friends is there waiting for us. So I'll be with my girlas today. Hi! So, so I let her drive first and then I'm in the mountain. I will drive jeepney after her. So see you there guys in the waterfalls guys. Bye! We are first in the main road, and here if you can pass here and you can pass near in the road some waterfalls here. So here I'll show you guys. So I think it's flooding on the mountain or raining because this waterfalls here on the road is been passed, or yeah, it's so heavy. So hi girlash. Hi. So here, look at the view there. See? Wonderful guys.
Very nice.
Very nice, yeah. So this is not yet the this is not yet the this is not yet the main waterfall. It's only the road just here. You see? You guys. Look. Here, look at that. Wonderful view. Yeah. See? This is part also of Valencia, guys. Where are you going, guys? Nice view. Yeah, it's long one. Okay na, girl. We are here now at Waterfalls. We call it twin waterfalls here at Valencia. So my Siam subscriber is waiting at me there inside. So see you there guys. See you guys. This is their entrance and that is the receptionist. You will pay your entrance fee. Entrance fee. So 100 pesos per so $2. $2. The area now. So they have a cottages there if you want to stay maybe or overnight. So this is the entrance. So okay. There we go. Here. So, hi! Kevin and hi Kevin. Sorry.
Wait, now I will get a seat for you.
Yeah, alright. Some snack here guys if in case you come, and you can order you some food, and yeah, there's some drinks here. So here. So select girl sa iwan.
Say mo, girl.
Soup drinks, water, bottle of water. So later there is the water. Girl, nice place eh. Ay. Very cold here this time guys because it's raining. So look, it's considering we will just wait our order fish and
1,000 is basically 20 US. 1,500, 30 US.
30.
Either way, that's not bad to be able to just walk out. And you
Yeah.
don't have to pay if you stay here.
Yeah, you don't, it's free entrance if you stay here. So
Although it's only 100 pesos to get in.
yeah, 100 pesos with that.
That's 2 US dollars.
Yeah. They're the big waterfalls, but it's raining today, guys. Yeah, show you guys here. My God, it's raining. Here we order this.
Yeah, I will take a video.
I've tried it.
Relax, you can
I don't like
taste
this.
yours.
I don't like that. I like this. This is good.
Yeah.
This,
I got my
I like
buko
mango.
too. Buko
I like
shake. I
mango.
got my buko too. Got buko shake. Yeah. Mango shake.
So what is that? What does it taste like?
It's tasty. We are here in hot spring. Kulang ba to hot spring? Because we went to waterfalls, it's so very cold there. So now we down here in the hot spring. Here. So here in France. And they have also you call it as like a hotel lodging house also if you want to stay here for one night. You have that and this one. So just waiting with him finish. We go ahead, girl. Yeah. Down to the road. See. In the parking areas there. You can park your vehicle over there. Red Rock Hot Spring. This one, guys. This is the main entrance here. Red Rock Hot Spring. Yeah. So they have also cottages here.
Is this the only one or more?
This is the only one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Want to get a table down there?
Yeah. Alright. That's the water's hot then. You can smell already that. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's the new one. Before it's no there, right now it's new one, yeah. Yeah. It's good, right? The water's cold. Hi. Yeah, you can try it. Come on. So we must enjoy her, guys. Than the waterfalls, because the waterfall is really cold and the water here is bitter. Yeah.
Mag-water lesson tayo dito. I have a new friend. She's very beautiful. And then she's everybody likes my girl.
She's become a vlogger also soon. Soon. Soon after channel. Yeah.
What? What?
Swimming lesson.
You gonna try? Ready for the pond.
No, the one that I can.
Underwater?
There's a lot of people. I will just do like that.
Push off and you'll only get it. You're not good at it, remember? You don't go.
Shout out my.
You only go out to the
Shout
water.
out to
Shout
guys.
out. I forgot the name.
Thank you to my some subscriber. Support to my channel.
Come over here.
I'm always support to my girl last.
So we bonding again.
Thank you, Berlash, for the free entrance.
Next, see you in Cebu next week. Yeah, guys. So we have another adventure in Cebu.
Ayun. Tapat ng san ko. Yung mga...
So what's the story with this one? This is Red Rock.
Yeah, then you feel the sulfur, the skin of the sulfur.
I thought that was her.
It's natural.
Ah. I thought it was her after she eats beans.
No.
That looks amazing. That is so cool. Is there a road to get up there?
No.
No?
Ito po mga wax yun po yung naging galing doon. Ang gusto kong mag-stay dito. Maghapon. I want to stay here.
They have a famous place.
Kapalugar lang sa unsa na.
They have a famous place in the U.S. called Red Rock, and it's in Colorado. And it's up in the mountains, and all the rocks are red, and that's where they play concerts. Bands go there, and you go, and it's so beautiful to look out while the band's playing.
So maybe this story, because the stone here is red, so they call it red rock.
And that's how it is in Colorado. Beautiful.
Do you see the water like the hot water?
What?
Taas.
Why?
Mag-selfie ka. Shit. Si Pelco.
So ano yung mga gusto niya? Nagay niya yung mga gusto niya pero wala ako doon. Yung magkakwan lang kami, magkakwan lang kami ng Chinese. Yung
You enjoy it. You love it. Hanap ka ng single.
Kevin, do you have single pilot? So you can tell them like
There's some that is for my video for today. So see you in my next video guys and enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.